Hello everyone. I'm Renuka Negi from Ajay Astro Money Guru. Welcome all of you in our daily stocks news session. Today, major business and economic news on 7th October 2021 are: oil down as investors digest surprise crude oil build. Oil was down Thursday morning in Asia, dropping for a second session as US crude oil supply data showed a surprise build. Brent oil futures were down 0.64% to $80.56 by 11:21 p.m. ET, and WTI futures fell 0.98% to $76.67. Indian Central Bank may signal stimulus pullback. India's central bank is poised to leave its key interest rate unchanged for an 8th rate meeting to support economic growth, while likely signaling readiness to unwind some pandemic era stimulus to tackle inflation concerns. All 30 economists surveyed by Bloomberg as of Wednesday expect the six-member Monetary Policy Committee to leave the repurchase rate at 4% on Friday. The big takeaway from the Reserve Bank of India, however, is likely to be any move to balance the huge liquidity overhang in the banking system, including possibly trimming a government bond buying program. Governor Shaktikant Das is scheduled to announce the MPC's decision through a webcast at 10 a.m. in Mumbai on Friday. US shares higher at close of trade. Dow Jones Industrial Average up 0.30%. US equities were higher at the close on Wednesday as gains in the utilities, technology, and industrial sector propelled shares higher. At the close in New York Stock Exchange, the Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 0.30%, while the S&P 500 index climbed 0.41% and the Nasdaq Composite Index added 0.47%. Putin offers to stabilize gas markets on an absolutely commercial basis. Russia is ready to supply more natural gas to head off a growing energy crisis, President Vladimir Putin said Wednesday, on a day when UK and continental spot prices again hit all time highs. I would like to hear your suggestions as to what more we can do to stabilize global energy markets, Putin told ministers in a carefully staged managed broadcast of his introductory statement at the start of a video conferenced cabinet meeting. We are ready to work on this and we would like such work to be based on an absolutely commercial basis. So these are the major highlights for today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.